Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the newest features in Samsung's Galaxy UI on Android. Let's check out what's new. Samsung's latest OneUI brings a fresh look to Android, offering better customizations, smoother navigation, and smarter multitasking features. First up, the lock screen. With the new Galaxy UI, you can fully customize your lock screen. Change the clock style, add interactive widgets, and even pick dynamic wallpapers that shift throughout the day. Next, Samsung has made multitasking smoother than ever. With the new split screen feature, switching between apps and dragging and dropping files is a breeze, perfect for power users. The notification panel also got a makeover. You can now see compact notifications at a glance or expand them for quick actions without leaving your current app. Smart widgets are here to make your life easier. They automatically adapt based on your activity, whether you're checking the weather, playing music, or reviewing your calendar. Battery life is a big deal, and Samsung's UI includes new power-saving modes that can extend your phone's life even further. Plus, performance optimizations ensure you get the most out of your Galaxy device. Those are just a few of the latest features in Samsung's new Galaxy UI. Let me know which one you're most excited about in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.